How to change currency in Xero full guide. Changing the currency in Xero is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Xero account and navigate to the Settings page. In the Settings page, click on the General Settings tab and then select the Currencies option. Here you will see a list of all the currencies you have set up in Xero, along with their respective exchange rates. To add a new currency, click on the Add Currency button and select the currency you want to add from the drop-down list. You will then be prompted to enter the exchange rate for the new currency. It is essential to note that Xero uses the exchange rate you enter to convert all transactions to your base currency. Once you have added the new currency, you can begin to use it in your Xero account. You can assign the new currency to a specific bank account, customer, or supplier, and all transactions related to that account will be recorded in the new currency. Xero also allows you to set up multiple currencies for a single contact, which is useful if you deal with international customers or suppliers. To do this, navigate to the Contact page and click on the Currencies tab. Here you can add multiple currencies and set the exchange rate for each one. Best practices for changing currency in Xero include regularly updating your exchange rates to ensure accuracy, and using the auto-update feature to save time. Additionally, it is crucial to set up a separate bank account for each currency to avoid confusion and ensure that your financial records are accurate. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily change the currency in Xero and manage your international financial transactions with confidence.